Welcome back. I have another wig video for you. This one is from LuvMe Hair. Thank you to LuvMe for sending over this gorgeous wig for me to review for my girlies. So let me get into this quick little unboxing for you. So right here we have the LuvMe VIP Rewards membership guide. For every purchase you earn points which you can redeem for gift cards, free wigs, and more. And let me tell you, they had quite a few goodies in here. I got a LuvMe tail comb, a LuvMe hair clip, a LuvMe mesh storage bag to store my wig, perfect for traveling. I got these labels that you can use to name your wigs for easy identification. Just stick it on your box. I got a wig cap. You can never have too much of those. This one might be a little bit too dark for me though. And I got a hairband to slick down those edges. Plus this box that everything came in is so nice and sturdy. I won't be throwing this out anytime soon. Perfect for storage. It's so cute. Now let's get into this wig. This is the Elegant Copper Amber Highlights Loose Body Wave Glueless 5x5 Lace Closure Wig with a breathable cap. Lace type is regular, so it's a regular lace wig at 180% density. It has 3 combs, one on each side and one at the back, and it also has a adjustable strap. Cap size is standard medium, which is 22.5 inches circumference. It's 100% human hair with a middle part, but can also be side or C parted. And this wig can last you up to a year or more. So it's definitely a good investment. The website and all of this information can also be found in my description box. So today you'll be getting a full tutorial from scratch, hair, makeup, and all. I will be speeding through this though, so if you guys want me to go slower and do like a step-by-step walkthrough, please leave a comment and I'll try to do that in my next video. But for the most part, I do feel that most people are pretty familiar with the process. And please remember, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just showing you guys what I do. So I'm just starting off by filling in my eyebrows. I already moisturized and everything else. Then I'm going to clean it up using a concealer underneath and my foundation at the top. Blend this out with a concealer brush and then with my beauty blender. For my foundation, I'm actually using a lighter shade and a darker shade. These are the colors that I would use when I'm darker and the one that I would use when I'm lighter. But right now I'm in an in-between stage, so I'm mixing the two. Then I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, contour my face, then set my foundation, and that will be pretty much it. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm really just using one shade on my lids. I just kind of pack it on at first and then I blend out the edges. And I'm also applying that same shade on my lower lash line. Then I applied my eyeliner, some mascara, and contoured my nose a little tiny bit, not much, and set my foundation. And that was it for my makeup. Is it just me? But I love the cool, refreshing feeling from the fan after misting my face with the setting spray. Oh gosh, it feels so good. Before applying my wig, I'm going to tint the lace with some lace tint and then dry it with my fan, or you can use a blow dryer. I decided to not use a wig cap for this wig only because I won't be gluing down this wig, and I want to be able to use the combs to help secure the wig on my head. Now I'm going to clip the hair back just to keep it away from my face, and I'm going to remove this lace. I think I need a new scissors because this one ain't cutting it. And when you're cutting away the lace, try not to cut it straight across. Give it a more jaggedy kind of look. This helps to make the hairline look more natural and seamless. If you were going to glue this down, you could like cut the lace away in sections. But like I said, I'm not going to be gluing it down, so I won't be doing that. Now I'm adding my Milani bronzer on the hairline to help the lace blend a bit more. This is in the shade Sun Drenched. Then I'm gonna part out a small section at the front using my LuvMe tail comb I love using this tail comb. Look how easy it allowed me to part out this small little section for my baby hairs. And you don't have to put any baby hairs, guys. If this is not your thing, don't worry about it. You don't have to do baby hairs. Now for a little hack that I saw on TikTok, I'm just gonna spray some Sebastian Shaper Plus on my tail comb and use that to shape my baby hairs. This gives it a soft fluffy finish. So if you're one of those girlies who don't like to have your baby hairs stuck to your forehead, this would be a perfect option. Now I'm just gonna do the same to tame those flyaways on the top of my head. Another option would be to use the wax and then use your hot comb to flatten the top part here, but because I am not so big on using heat on my hair, I try to use the heatless route when possible. I try to take care of my wigs the same way I would take care of my natural hair. Up next, I'm using some Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum for some shine. Now I'm just lining my lips, then I'm gonna add a little buttercup lip gloss and another lip gloss on top of that. I'm just being extra. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just adding in a little bit more serum for a little bit more shine, and look at that, the curls are so popping. This wig is so gorgeous. It's nice and soft. I experienced minimal shedding. Color highlights are really beautiful. It's 100% human hair. It's beginner friendly. It came already curled. I didn't have to do anything with this wig. I really just did my makeup to add a little bit more context to this video, because honestly I did not have to do much to this wig at all. The only thing I really did was tint the lace and cut a few baby hairs, but all those are optional depending on your preference. Remember, all the information pertaining to this wig will be found in my description box. Check my description box for further information. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.